Welcome back to the channel. This is Wei Hao at Direct Impact Solutions. Do you know they added this new feature in FileMaker Pro 19? So if you're in layout mode, if you press Command-Option-K on Mac or Control-Alt-K on Windows, it will open up this search bar that looks like the Spotlight feature on Mac. If you type in the name of the layout you're trying to go to, and then press Enter, it will navigate you to the layout. So you can do the whole thing without having to move your hands away from your keyboard. In the past, if you want to navigate to a different layout, in layout mode, you'd either have to use this drop-down, which doesn't allow search by name, or you would have to open up this Manage Layout dialog, search here, use your mouse to click on the layout you want to go to, and then click on Open. So this new feature seems pretty neat, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. We publish FileMaker videos every week. I'll see you next time.